Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA seems to be, in this sideways range, still squeezed between support and resistance without any clear sense of direction really. However, what is so interesting is that ADA reacted to support, rallied, fell back into support, rallied, into resistance, decline, into support, small rally. So it's just respecting those levels so well. I know the chart is frustrating, but I'm sure there are people who are using these levels to trade the range, which would work great, you know. We have a clearly defined support zone, micro support here on the smallest time frames between 32.5 and 34.2 cents, and resistance between 39.7 and 36.5 cents. Now we see currently again another small wave of coins show some upside momentum, especially with Bitcoin now having formed the 5-wave move to the upside. I talked about that in the last Bitcoin video, so I would not rule out that ADA rallies into resistance again. Actually, that is what I would expect. Rally into resistance again, but maybe not commit, okay? If ADA commits, I mean, I told you about the 1-2 setup on the chart in yellow, okay? We talked about this as a possible B wave low on the 10th of October and then a wave 1 to the upside, a possible micro 5-wave move to the upside, and a possible micro 3-wave move to the downside. And then from here, a 3rd wave rally, a 4th wave down, and a 5th wave up. What we really need to see to call the move up a viable, larger degree 3rd wave in the yellow scenario is that the price reaches 51.2 cents as a minimum in that 3rd wave. Then I want to see a 4th wave pullback and a 5th wave rally, which should reach 56 cents plus. Then we can confirm that a larger degree wave 2 bottomed actually on the 5th of August, and we are on our way possibly even to a new all-time high, so at least into the $2 to $3 region. But for you know, first of all, we need to see that 5-wave move up. Even if we break out above initial resistance, which is obviously here at 39.7 cents, while it is less clearly bearish, it is not clearly bullish until we get 5 waves up. We will be in this weird in-between space where we are actually in a structure that could turn into a 5-wave move. It hasn't yet. It's very prone to failure because the subwaves are corrective, because we're dealing with a diagonal pattern at best. So it is quite messy. But overall, you know, what are the levels to watch for? Well, support and resistance were already mentioned. There is a very clear invalidation point that's located here at the red line at 30.3 cents. And as I said in the last video, as long as this level is holding, the bullish scenario actually has a chance. Yeah. And, this is the invalidation point. Now you could say with this 1-2 setup, there is an even closer invalidation point, which is this last low at 33.9 cents. But I mean, then we really talk about nano counting. Yeah. But I think the levels should be clear. And I think it also should be clear that the bulls have a chance as long as the red line is holding. However, they need to prove themselves, first of all, with a break above 39.7 cents. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.